My name is Salman Al-Farisi.
My name is Muhammad Abdul Pasandida.
My name is Yandani Raidani.
So today we will podcast about university education is no longer relevant.
Hi everyone, welcome back to our podcast. Today we're going to discuss an interesting and controversial topic. University education is no longer relevant. Nowadays, many people question whether university education is still important in modern society. With the development of technology, people can easily learn many skills from the internet, online courses, and social media platforms. Some people think university is no longer necessary because skills and experience are more important than degrees. However, others believe that university education still has an important role in preparing students for their careers and personal development. Today, we will hear two different perspectives from our panelists. Salman will support the statement, while Mira will disagree with it. So, let's begin our discussion. First of all, I would like to ask Salman, as the pro side, why do you agree with the statement that university education is no longer relevant?
First, thank you, Jian. Personally, I agree with the statement because I think university education is becoming relevant to today's world. One reason is that technology has changed the way people learn. Today, people can learn almost everything from the internet. There are many free for affordable online courses that teach practical skills such as programming, graphic design, digital marketing, video editing, and business management. These skills are often more useful in the workplace than theoretical lessons from university. Another reason is that many successful people today become successful without university degree. For example, some entrepreneur, content creator, and programmer build successful careers through self-learning and experience. This proves that a university degree is not always necessary for success. I also think that universities are sometimes too focused on theory. Many students spend years studying but still feel unprepared for real job after graduating. Companies today often prioritize skills, creativity, and experience more than academic certificate. In addition, university education can be very expensive. Some students graduate with debt and still struggle to find jobs. Because of that, I think university is not always the best choice anymore.
Thank you, Salman. Now let's hear from Mira as the contra side. Why do you disagree with the statement?
Okay, thank you, Jian. I disagree with this statement because I believe university education is still very relevant and important. First, university provides structured education and guidance from experienced lecture. Students do not only study information but they also learn how to think critically, analyze problems, and communicate effectively. These are important skills that are difficult to develop through self-learning alone. Second, university is important for many professions, careers such as doctor, engineer, teacher, lawyer, and accountants require formal education and professional certification. Without university education, people cannot enter this profession. Another important point is that university helps students develop soft skills like teamwork, discipline, leadership, and responsibility. Students also gain opportunities to meet new people, build connection, and expand their network, which can help them in the future. I agree that technology has changed education, but I do not think online learning can completely replace universities. Universities still provide valuable experience and qualification that society needs.
Interesting opinions from both sides. Salman, do you want to respond to Mira's opinion?
Yes. I agree that university is important in certain professions like medicine and law. However, not all careers require degrees anymore. Many companies now hire people based on their portfolios and abilities rather than their educational background. For example, in digital industry, companies often care more about what you can do instead of where you studied. Someone who learned coding independently may have better skills than someone who only studied the theory at university. I also think universities are sometimes slow to adapt to technological development. By the time students graduate, some of the knowledge they learned might already be outdated.
Okay, I understand your point, Salman, but I think the solution is not to say university is irrelevant. Instead, universities should improve their system and adapt to modern needs. For example, universities can provide more practical learning, internship, and technology-based programs. Many universities today are already changing their teaching methods to prepare students for the modern workplace. Besides that, not everyone can learn effectively by themselves. Some students need experience, structure, and direct interaction with lecture to fully understand certain object.
That's true, and I agree some people learn better in structured environment. But I still think that university should not be considered the only path to success. Society often pressure young people to enter university even when there may be other opportunities that are more suitable for them. Today, people can build through entrepreneurship, freelance, online business, and digital platform without necessarily having a university degree.
I agree that success can come from many different paths. However, universities still give students credibility and professional recognition. In many situations, having a degree increases job opportunities and give people more confidence in their abilities. So, in my opinion, university education is still relevant, but it must continue evolving to follow change in society and technology.
Okay, thank you both for the great discussion. Before we close, I would like each of you to give a final statement. Salman, please go first.
In conclusion, I believe university education is becoming less relevant because technology and online learning have created many alternative ways to gain knowledge and skills. Success today depends more on practical abilities, creativity, and experience rather than degrees alone. Thank you.
For me, university education is still important because it provides structured learning, professional qualification, and valuable life experience. Although education methods are changing, universities still play a major role in preparing people for in the future.
Thank you, Salman and Miral, for sharing your perspective today. This discussion shows that university education remains a complex issue in modern society. Some people believe that online learning and practical skills are replacing traditional education, while others believe universities are still essential for personal and professional development. In the end, everyone has different opinions and experiences regarding education. What is most important is choosing the path that best supports our goals and future careers. Thank you everyone for listening to our podcast today. See you in the next discussion and goodbye.
Bye.